Hi, and welcome to this YouTube video about Mogo's interest rates on loans. I'm excited to talk to you about this topic because I think it's really important to understand the interest rates you'll be paying on your loan before you apply. Interest rates can have a big impact on the total cost of your loan, so it's important to find the best rate possible. Before we get into the specifics of Mogo's interest rates, let's take a step back and talk about what interest rates are in general. Interest rates are essentially the price you pay for borrowing money. They're expressed as a percentage of the amount you borrow, and they're usually charged monthly or annually. There are a number of factors that can affect interest rates, including the type of loan you're taking out, the creditworthiness of the borrower, the current state of the economy. Now that we have a basic understanding of interest rates, let's talk about Mogo's interest rates. Mogo offers a variety of personal loans, including unsecured loans and secured loans. Unsecured loans are not backed by any collateral, while secured loans are backed by assets such as a car or a home. Mogo's interest rates for unsecured loans range from 5.99% to 36.99% APR. The interest rate you'll be offered will depend on your credit score and other factors. Mogo's interest rates for secured loans are generally lower than their interest rates for unsecured loans. This is because secured loans are less risky for the lender, as the lender has collateral to fall back on if the borrower defaults on the loan. Mogo's interest rates are competitive with other online lenders. However, it's important to shop around and compare rates from different lenders before you apply for a loan. Now that we've talked about Mogo's interest rates, let's take a look at some of the other factors you should consider when choosing a personal loan. Fees. Some lenders charge fees for origination, processing, or late payments. Be sure to ask about fees before you apply for a loan. Terms. The term of your loan is the amount of time you have to repay the loan. Longer terms can result in lower monthly payments, but they will also cost you more in interest over the life of the loan. Customer service. Make sure you choose a lender with good customer service. You want to be able to easily contact them if you have any questions or problems. Now that you have all the information you need to make an informed decision about Mogo's interest rates, I encourage you to shop around and compare rates from different lenders. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to check out my other videos on personal finance topics. Thanks for watching.